Flour, water, yeast, and time. That's how every pizza begins. Yet, for such a simple dish, pizza stirs up passions. Thin and supple, or thick and crisp. Loaded with cheese, or lightly topped. Join this tour to the birthplace of pizza, where we'll visit the kitchens of pizza superstars. The master pizzaioli, who aim for nothing less than perfection. They may differ in their methods, but they share an obsession, a single-minded focus on each element of the dish, from the flour to the water to the type of wood in the oven. On this tantalizing journey, you'll learn the difference between Roman pizza and the Neapolitan type. You'll see shopkeepers selling long sheets of pizza by weight and hear the backstory of pizza fritta, at one time the most popular type in Naples. Everybody has an opinion about what makes a good slice and a favorite place to find it. But great pizza? That's more elusive.